What's up guys, Dylan with BimmerTech, and behind me is an M6 getting our remote start kit installed. That's right, remote start. But the purpose of this video is to show you an i3 that was recently in that got our wireless CarPlay and Android Auto MMI Prime, plus a rear view camera. Let's take a look at that. This i3, while impressive, did not come with a rear-view camera or any way to implement Apple CarPlay on the iDrive screen. BimmerTech is able to change all of that with our wireless CarPlay and Android Auto MMI Prime and rear-view camera kit. Let's take a look at the wireless CarPlay and Android Auto MMI Prime in action. The BimmerTech wireless CarPlay and Android Auto MMI Prime will deliver you all of your favorite apps right on your iDrive screen, and you can control them with your fingertips using your factory iDrive controller. Of course, you can also, with your BMW's built-in mics, now talk to Siri or Google Assistant. Use your favorite navigation and music apps, as well as handle all of your texts and phone calls without ever picking up your phone. Now let's take a look at that rear view camera. The BimmerTech rear view camera kit will fit between the license plate lights and deliver a perfect image on your iDrive screen. While you do have to cut a hole in your bumper to mount it, installation is very straightforward. Parking assist lines will appear on your screen to help you back into those tight spots. Simply put your i3 in reverse and your camera comes to life. Do you want this for your i3? Of course you do. Head on over to our website and enter your VIN so you can find the appropriate kit for your car. And make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Do you want to see more videos like this? Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to ring that bell so you don't miss any of the future upcoming videos of product installations, product reviews, and so much more related to BMWs, Minis, and Supras. And hey, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok as well. Thanks for watching.